Hey everyone, this is Dr. Aisha, and today we will be starting a different subject, that is Bhaishajya Kalpana. Many of you will be feeling difficult for this subject, but in my videos you will feel easy, and I also give you most of the tricks. So today's topic is History and Chronological Development of Bhaishajya Kalpana. Introduction. Aushadha is one of the Trisutras of Ayurveda. No branch of Ayurveda can exist without the aid of Aushadhas, that is, Bhaishajya Kalpana. Bhaishajya Kalpana is made up of two words, Bheshaja, which means conquers the disease. Kalpana means the process for the preparation of the medicine. Let's see the differences between Aushadha and Bheshaja. In Aushadha, Sarvadravyam Aushadhatvam means these are all the natural things which can be used as medicines. While as in Bheshaja, these are the prepared medicines which we make. In Aushadha, all raw drugs on the earth are considered, whereas in Bheshaja, it can be considered both Aushadha and Pathya Kalpana. Aushadha is known to all and it is also used in the raw form, whereas in Bheshaja, it is usually known to only a physician. Synonyms. Chikitsatam means main treatment. Vyadhiharam means eliminates diseases.
Patyam,
Conducive for the body.
Sadhanam,
Major tool in treatment.
Aushadam,
That which goes rasadharana.
Prakriti Sthapanam,
Brings back health.
Hitam,
Conducive for the body. Prayaschittam, opposite to the cause of disease. Importance of Bhaishajya Kalpana. A physician is considered competent only when he has access to the right drugs. A simple drug can be made into a potent medicine by usage of simple sanskaras or by addition of some other dravyas. These shlokas are important, so I have included here. So please have a look at it. Each increases the potency of medicine by sanskar, that is Visesh Gunantharardhana, that is adding or generating special property. It makes the medicine durable, it makes the medicine palatable, it removes the toxic effect of medicine by Shodhana Karma. History of Bhaishajya Kalpana. There is no separate branch for this. Details of pharmaceutics are found scattered in many places. Up to 7th century, herbal medicines were used as medicines. Later period, inclusion of metals and minerals as medicines occurred. In the Vedic period, Rigveda and Atharva Veda quote many herbs and their rational application in various ailments. That is, Bhaishajyani is used for curing diseases. Ayushyani is used to attain longevity and health. Terms: Soma, Rasa, Sura, Madhya, Odana. That is, these are Ahara Kalpana. According to Samhitas, that is, Charaka Samhita told that detailed explanation of Panchavidha Kashaya Kalpana, different types of sadhana kalpanas, dietary preparations, extraction of taila, tailapaka, rasayana kalpas, ayaskriti, shara kalpana, siddhisthana, that is in 6th chapter, which means the qualities of an ideal drug. According to Sushruta, 6 Kashaya kalpanas, Shira is the heaviest and Churna kalpana. Similar to Charaka, most aspects of Bhaishajya Kalpana is covered. Special emphasis on Kshara and Aushadhi used in Vrana. According to Vagbhatta, it is similar to Charaka and Sushruta, what they told, and also explained in Kalpasthana. Sharangadhara Samhita. The author of this book is Sharangadhara Mishra, who belongs to 4th century, and he has written 3 parts which contains 32 chapters. In this, Madhyama Kanda is dedicated for Bhaishajya Kalpana. He is the first author to give principles for different kalpanas, systematic and collective manner, dedicated chapter for each kalpana, definition, procedure, dose, anupana, and various examples are also specified. Mana Paribhasha, that is second chapter in Prathama Kanda. Bhaishajya Ratnavali. The author of this book is Acharya Govindadas. He belongs to 18th century. He is the first one to mention Murchana Samskara, that is Ghrita and Taila Murchana, No new dosage forms but added many new formulations. Dedicated section as Anubhuta Yoga, disease wise classification of the medicines. Yoga Ratnakara. His explanation and principles were similar to the Charaka and Sushruta. He has given more importance to Pathya Kalpanas. According to Post Samhita, new dosage forms like Sharbat, Panaka, Malahara, Arkas were included. Modern machineries, use of preservatives, GMP were also included. So, these are the important questions which we could expect from this chapter. Those are define Bhaishajya Kalpana and write its importance in detail. What do you understand with the term Bhaishajya Kalpana? Write its importance in the field of Ayurveda. Define Bhaishajya Kalpana and write its chronological development with regards to the history of Ayurveda. Write chronological history of Bhaishajya Kalpana in brief. So if you cover all these 4 questions, it will be easy for you to attempt the exam. And you can also get knowledge from these topics. Thank you guys. We need your support, so please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for shortcuts and videos like this, which will make you feel easy and you can learn the subject easily. Thank you. I am Dr. Aisha signing out.